In a drought-stricken valley, a city school converts a neglected park into a living classroom to teach survival. Students map seasonal water sources, build simple shade shelters, and practice signaling without gadgets using echoes and smoke. The lesson shifts when a sudden storm tests plans, teaching adaptation, teamwork, and careful risk assessment under dramatic skis. By sunset, the class records each decision in a field journal, linking ancient techniques to modern safety standards. The principal announces that nature itself remains the best instructor, and future sessions will deepen this real-world education.